Well, hello there. In this video, just going to have a quick look at these little 9-volt battery LED flashlights. 6LR61. I've got dozens of these. They kind of chuck them away at work. I've got access to as many of these as I want, really. I've recently stumbled across these on Temu. 9-volt flashlight. It's kind of like a little cob light arrangement there. And these, I paid £1.52. And it's just really simple. Little plastic housing. The attachments here. And you just line it up with your batteries terminals there. Click it on, and that's basically it. You've got two brightness settings, a low and a high. Center position is off, and that's basically it. And that's just a really handy way to utilize these batteries. And just dead cheap, dead super simple. That's excellent, I love that. And here's just a quick look at it in the dark. It's on the low setting, just in the corner of my little table there. That's the high setting. Point it up and it makes quite a nice little subtle lantern. If you can get a diffuser type thing to fit on there, that would be good. So this throws a really wide beam, really good for lighting up a room. Not got a great deal of throw or anything, but as a close range light, something to shove in your bag, you know what I mean, as a backup. That's just excellent. Seems to sit on there fairly securely. I'm not sure about run times on these. I have had a quick Google about, and reports that I've read said an AA battery will provide longer run times than a 9-volt battery. But I've got to say, I've been trying to run this battery down. I've been sticking it on at night just to see how long it would last in the low setting, and it's plenty enough to put a nice dim light in a room. And it's been running for night after night after night, and it's still going strong. So although I haven't timed it, yeah, I think that's quite effective. I've since seen some other very similar style ones of these for maybe even a bit cheaper. But yeah, for £1.52, I think that's great. So I snapped 3 of them up, and yeah, I've got tons of these batteries. So that's a cheap, reliable light source there. Dead super simple. Great stuff. Any of you guys got these, seen these? What do you reckon to them? I like that. Really cool. Adios amigos and amigas.